Hello students, good morning. This is Ajay Kumar Solanki and today we will discuss the story number 4, the bus stop that had children. So please you all are advised to open your books. A very funny, very nice story depending upon nightmares. Uh, there is a character in this story, Precious, and how she was terrified because of her habit of seeing nightmares. Nightmares होता है students बुरे सपने and who was responsible for it? Uh, Capito. Capito actually was her brother, and he had made her believe that there is a supernatural world also, and due to this supernatural world, a human being actually should be quite terrified at all the time because anything may happen at any time. सो प्रीशियस कितना डर जाती है, कितना परेशान हो जाती है, और वो जहाँ बस स्टॉप पे खड़ी हो जाती है जाकर के, तो बस स्टॉप पे एक पेड़ होता है, देयर वाज अ ट्री ऑफ बाओबाब, और वो बोटल वृक्ष होता है बाओबाब का पेड़. एंड एज यू कैन सी हेयर, एंड कैपिटो हैड डिस्क्राइब दिस ट्री इन अ वेरी वेरी टेरिफाइंग मैनर वेयर शी वॉज स्टैंडिंग हेयर. And she was first of all she believed the words of her brother Capito, but later she saw something strange before her eyes and her all terror actually was vanished off. और बाद में वो बिल्कुल गायब हो गया उसका सारा डर. एंड नाउ शी बिलीव्ड दैट कैपिटो वाज अ लायर, कैपिटो वाज ओनली फ्राइटनिंग हर. सो these things actually we will learn in this story. Okay students, now put your finger over the line. Precious thought. Precious was the name of the girl. Okay, she was of 10 years and thought that the bus stop was a witch, which means होता है जादूगरनी. बस स्टॉप एक जादूगरनी, it was a witch, and she had nightmares about it, and she had the bad dreams, bad opinions, bad imaginations about it. Okay, but it is not what you are thinking. She was not crazy. Students, actually whatever the thoughts must be going on in your mind, they are wrong. She was a normal girl, she was not crazy, she was not mad, she was not eccentric. वो crazy नहीं थी, पागल नहीं थी, but she was, her terror was logical. You too might have had nightmares about that particular bus stop. If you were there in place of her, you too would have done the same as she was doing. But on that Saturday morning, now I will let you know what happened. On one morning, Saturday morning, being scared of the bus stop was very inconvenient. And to be terrified, scared का मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा डरना. And being scared, if somebody is scared of the bus stop, it was quite inconvenient. ये उसके लिए बहुत ही uncomfortability वाला था, uncomfortability का एहसास करा देने वाला था. And but Precious had to wait by it and for the bus to the town. But whatever the uncomfortability might be, but Precious was there. कहाँ पे? Under that very tree. There was a tree, baobab, and she had to go there. She had to wait because she was going where? She was going to town, and she was going to market there because she wanted to purchase some food stuffs from there. Now, students, her mother actually could not go with her because she was expecting a new baby. She was pregnant, so that's why she was unable to follow her. Capito, elder brother, he was also busy in chopping the maize. Maize मतलब students मक्का का खेत, and he was chopping means cutting the crop, and he was busy in doing that task. Up now she was only left alone, and so she had to do the shopping. Now the greater responsibilities were there on her shoulders, and she did not mind it because she was proud of doing so. She knew that she would do good shopping alone, but she wished with all her heart that the bus would turn up soon. But now this was the thought in her mind that the bus should come fast because she did not want to linger over there, stop over there under that very tree for long. And the items which she had to purchase like rice, cassava, beans, actually she was repeating again and again in her mind so that she will not forget them. Those were the things she had to buy from the market. Precious tried to keep a safe distance from the bus stop, and now she was maintaining a good distance from the bus stop because she knew still about the stories told to her by her brother Capito. She looked up and down the road again and again to wait for the bus, but there was nothing on the road except a goat. Only a goat was there. No one came to wait with her, and there was no other passenger to wait with her or to protect her. If the bus stops, suddenly becomes furious, nasty. Nasty means students unpleasant. अगर बाई चांस कुछ डरावना हो जाता है बस स्टॉप के साथ, अनप्लेजेंट हो जाता है, तो देयर वॉज नो बडी टू हेल्प हर आउट ऑल्सो. She had to wait alone. Students, now she was standing there alone. The bus stop was a baobab tree. बोतल वृक्ष था वो, baobab का पेड़, like this, and a massive tree. Massive means very big, large, heavy tree with swollen, lump trunk. And the swollen means मोटी मोटी branches वाला, like the fat stems वाला. और साथ में लंपी. लंपी मीन्स ये गांठदार, इस तरह की जो गांठें नोट्स थे, नोड्यूल्स इस तरह के बने हुए थे ट्रंक में उसके. इट वॉज हॉलो इनसाइड, और अंदर की तरफ से वो खोखला था. इट वॉज नॉट सॉलिड. It made a great bus stop. Only this was the bus stop. Okay, this structure was the bus stop, and the passengers used to stand under it to wait for the bus. 6 or 7 people could shelter inside it from the sun. Obviously, only 6 or 7 people could stand over there. Here you can see bus stop. Only there's a room for 6 and 7 people to take shelter or to stand underneath it. And when she was very small, Capito had said, when she was young, that at that very time, her brother had told her the scary stories about the tree, about the bus stop. That tree is a witch tree. He told her that tree is not normal. It's a witch tree. And look at her warty face, her long bony fingers. And he told her एंड कि पेड़ का जो फेस है वो काफ़ी वाल्टी है, मतलब काफ़ी नोड्यूल्स वाला है, गांठों वाला है. उसके अंदर बहुत बड़ी बड़ी जो हैं उसकी ब्रांचेस हैं, और साथ में वो बोनी हुई हैं, बोनी फिंगर्स के जैसी ब्रांचेस हैं, लंबी लंबी, जैसे कि उसमें हड्डियाँ हों. एंड इट वॉज ट्रू दैट इफ़ यू स्टेयर्ड वेरी हार्ड एट द ट्रंक you could see a face there, and the tree was similar as described by Capito. If you were there, you would have believed the same. It was a scowling face, no doubt in it. Tree was very horrifying. Scowling means काफ़ी angry face, डरावना horrifying face था ट्री का, with a big hooked nose. और ये मुड़ी हुई उसकी नाक जैसी स्ट्रक्चर थी. ट्री को देखने पे ऐसा लगता था. एंड द थिन विपी ट्विक्स, और उसके जो ट्विक्स थे, उसकी जो पतली पतली शाखाएं थी, विप्स के जैसी, हंटर्स के जैसी, दे लुक्ड लाइक फिंगर्स, और क्लोज, पंजों के जैसी दिखती थी. बाओबाब वॉज अ स्टूडेंट्स, बाओबाब वॉज 1,000 years old. It was a 1,000 years old tree, and it was the kind of tree you could believe all sorts of things about. And students, this was such a tree as you could believe the other things. Similarly, this tree and its description could be believed in the same manner. Now the students, the Precious was 10 years old, as I have already told you, and she had the greater responsibilities because she was now a bit matured, and she tried not to believe the stories that Capito told her. Whatever the stories her brother had told her, she tried her level best not to believe in them, but still she was unable to do so, and this was harder than it might seem. And if she tried, then it would have been quite harder, because Capito was not a simple storyteller, he was a brilliant storyteller, and he loved telling scary stories. और वो डरावनी जो horrifying stories होती थी उन्हें सुनाना पसंद करता था. He liked to frighten you if you could. And always his efforts were to frighten everybody. If you were there, he would frighten you too, and it made him feel good, and Capito felt good in doing this task. Capito had told her, for instance, okay, some stories Capito had told her. Instance means example के लिए कुछ stories बताई जा रही हैं जो Capito had told her sister, and that there were spirits living in the thatch of their hut. वो बताता था कि the hut in which they were living, over the thatch of the hut there were some spirits, कुछ आत्माएं रहती हैं उसकी थैच पर, उसकी छत पे, छप्पर वाली छत पे. and they slid out of night, और slid out means सरक करके नीचे आ जाना, और वो रात को they come out and come down and to guzzle the, guzzle means क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स, to drink eagerly, and they want to drink the blood of the sleeping men and women, those who are inside their hut, and the children, and वो उनका blood पी जाती हैं and grow fat, और मोटी हो जाती हैं उनकी ब्लड को पी करके. He had told her that the walking dead prowled round. प्राउड मीन्स क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? प्राउड मीन्स मूव्ड, चुपके से धीरे धीरे चलना. एंड देयर हट एट नाइट. And the dead people, those who are no more in this world, their spirits actually move around their hut at the time of night, and they called woo woo. Like this sound actually they create for you to come, and this is the sound to invite you to come out of the hut and join them in their cold and lonely graves. और साथ में वो इनवाइट करते हैं कि भाई come to our cold, come to our graves where there is no one. Okay. Precious did not believe any of that stuff anymore. But Precious did not believe that. Stupidly, she could not help feeling that the bus stop was a witch. Still, she could not help her thinking as per the stories of her brother. और अभी भी उसके मन में ये थॉट था कि शायद might be possible कि bus stop was a witch. What wrong with you, Precious? She scolded herself. She was trying to scold herself. वो अपने आप को डांट रही थी खुद ही कि तू ऐसा क्यों सोच रही है. And what is the problem with you? And as waited for the bus to town, when she was standing there under that very tree to wait to go to town. You are a grown up now and scared out of your wits by bus stops. But now you are matured and you are still terrified. Why don't you apply your wits? Shame on you. Now you should feel shame for doing so. She held her grass basket over her head like an umbrella and to shade herself from the sun. Now students, what the basket which she was holding up, and now she put that very basket over her head and to have some shade from the sun. And she looked up and down the road. Again she was doing the same, sometime left side, sometime right side to wait for the bus, but there was nothing on the road. Road was empty. खाली था रोड बिल्कुल. Precious shivered. Precious now shivering, काँप रही थी वो. She could not help recalling. Again and again she was thinking about the stories. सोच रही थी बार बार उन स्टोरीज़ को. Capito had told her about the witch tree, that place where you wait, Capito had said. एंड Capito ने कहा था कि जिस प्लेस पे तुम वेट करते हो बस स्टैंड पे, बस स्टॉप पे, एक्चुअली दैट इज़ नॉट अ सिंपल प्लेस, दैट इज़ द विच इज़ बैली. जिस जगह पे, जिस खोखली जगह पे जहाँ पे वेर यू स्टैंड, दैट इज़ द बैली, दैट इज़ द स्टमक ऑफ द विच. वो जादूगरनी का पेट है. इट्स ओके व्हेन ग्रोन अप्स वेट देयर. When there is no problem with the grown-ups, actually they stand over there and no harm is done to them by the witch. But when the children wait for the bus and all of their own on their own, means without having any elders with them, the witch's belly begins to rumble. अचानक से विच की जो belly है वो अचानक rumble करने लगती है ना. It means she is hungry. इसका मतलब कि वो भूखी है. उस rumbling sound से, उस गड़गड़ाहट की आवाज़ से we can feel that the witch is hungry. And then zip, just like zipping up your clothes. जैसे कि कपड़ों में जिप होती है आपके कपड़ों में, वैसे जिपिंग की आवाज़ के साथ, तेज़ आवाज़ के साथ, with that very sound, the witch tree closes up with the child inside it. Now the belly gets enclosed and child goes inside its belly. The child may shout and scream. Students, scream means चीखना, चिल्लाना. The child may scream, the child may shout, and no one will hear. Okay? कोई भी नहीं सुनता उनकी. बट आफ्टर सम टाइम द विच ट्री ओपन्स अप अगेन एंड अगेन द विच ट्री डज द सेम, अगेन ओपन्स अप. बट वेयर इज द चाइल्ड? चाइल्ड इज नो वेयर बिकॉज द ट्री ईट्स इट अप. द चाइल्ड इज नो वेयर एंड टू बी सीन. द बस स्टॉप इज एम्प्टी. एक बार फिर से एज इट इज कंडीशंस प्रिवेल्ड अपॉन. एक बार फिर से वही स्थिति हो जाती है एज इट इज. Precious had said, where is the child? Precious used to ask her brother earlier कि where is the child? Child कहाँ गया? Even though she already knew the answer, though she knew it very well, the child has gone to the stomach of the witch tree. Which tree has eaten her up? Of course, Capito had answered. Capito answered always. Then the child had gone to the stomach of the witch tree. Even her bones, यहाँ तक कि उसकी हड्डियों को भी खा गया वो. But witch does not eat them all. लेकिन if her belly is full, she keeps the child until she is hungry. लेकिन जब whenever the witch tree is not hungry, okay, तो this tree actually keeps the child safe in reserve as a reserve food. And do you see these bumps on the tree of the witch tree? क्या तुमको ये bumps दिखाई दे रहे हैं? क्या आपको इतनी मोटी मोटी जो स्ट्रक्चर्स गांठें हैं वो दिखाई दे रही हैं? Precious saw them. That's a witch's larder. ये bumps नहीं हैं. They are not bumps. They are the larders. Larders means बड़े बड़े कबर्ड्स के जैसे हैं, स्टोरेज करने के लिए फूड को. Capito had said. Capito अपनी बहन से कहता था put your ear close, and he advised her to get close, to go close and put the ear to the witch tree, you will hear the child inside calling out for help. और आपको बच्चे की आवाज़ सुनाई देगी, बच्चा चीख रहा होगा अंदर, डोंट बी सिली प्रीशियस सैड, डोंट बी स्टूपिड, एंड यू आर ओनली ट्राइंग टू फ्राइटन मी, एंड यू आर ट्राइंग टू टेरिफाई मी विदाउट एनी रीज़न, देयर इज़ नो चाइल्ड इज़ देयर. उसमें कोई बच्चा नहीं है पेट के अंदर. शी हैड पुट हर ईयर अगेंस्ट द विच ट्रीज लार्जेस्ट बम्प, एंड करती भी थी वो वैसा जैसा वो कहता था, और वो अपने कानों को रख भी लेती थी. एंड शी वॉज नॉट स्केयर्ड, ओनली टू शो टू हर ब्रदर कि शी इज़ नॉट टेरिफाइड. इस बात को अपने भाई को दिखाने के लिए कि वो डरी हुई नहीं है. बट देन शी लिफ्ट बैक इन हॉरर, जम्प्ड बैक, अचानक पीछे से, बीइंग हॉरिफाइड, शी केम बैक, पीछे आ जाती थी. एंड शी हैड हर्ड द चाइल्ड, तो क्या उसने बच्चे की आवाज़ सुनी होती थी अंदर, ए टाइनी पिपिंग वॉइस. तो क्या उसने एक जो पिपिंग वॉइस है बच्चे की पतली हाई पिच्ड आवाज़, क्या उसने वो सुनी होती थी ट्रंक के अंदर. सी आई टोल्ड यू, कपिटो हैड सेड, कपिटो उससे कहता था कि देखा, यू हैड हर्ड दैट वेरी वॉइस. नाउ यू रिमेंबर दैट स्मॉल चाइल्ड हु वेंट मिसिंग फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट विलेज. क्या तुम्हें पता है कि एक बच्चा था नेक्स्ट विलेज में, एंड दैट वाज मिसिंग, वेयर द चाइल्ड नाउ, बट एवरीबडी सेज ए लीपर टुक हिम, और हाइना. तो हर सिस्टर यूज टू टेल हर ब्रदर, अरे लेकिन उसको तो दैट चाइल्ड वाज टेकन अवे बाई लीपर्ड और सम हाइना, लकड़बग्घा ले गया था उसको, तो हाइना ले गया था उसको, तो या तेंदुआ ले गया था उसको. तो दे डोंट नो एनीथिंग, विलेजर्स डू नॉट नो एनीथिंग, कैपिटो यूज टू से. द चाइल्ड वाज प्रोबेबली वेटिंग एट दिस बस स्टॉप on his own, I will tell you. And he had said to her sister कि child must have come here to this bus stand for waiting for the bus. Okay, that poor child is probably inside the lump of the witch tree. और तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए, inside the lump the child must be, इस गांठ के अंदर, इस नोड्यूल के अंदर he must be. And it is his voice you are hearing now. और ये जो आवाज़ तुमने सुनी जिसकी वजह से तुम शॉक्ड होकर पीछे हटी, that is the same voice. What did he say? क्या कहा उसने, बच्चे ने, आई डोंट नो. प्रीशियस ने काफ़ी मिजरेबली, काफ़ी पुअर कंडीशन में आते हुए, घबराते हुए कहा. एंड आई बैट ही सेड हेल्प मी, हैड कैपिटो. कैपिटो ने कहा निश्चित तौर पे द चाइल्ड मस्ट हैव डिमांडेड द हेल्प, बट नोबडी कैन हेल्प हिम, एंड द विच ट्री हैज़ गॉट हिम, बिकॉज द चाइल्ड इज़ नाउ अंडर कंट्रोल ऑफ द विच, सो दैट्स वाई नोबडी कैन हेल्प दैट वेरी चाइल्ड. So that is why Precious on that Saturday morning, once again come back to your story students, was keeping a safe distance. So that's why she was maintaining a good distance from the bus stop. Okay, but then she heard some things. All of a sudden, it made her blood turn icy cold. Icy cold मतलब very very terrified she was now, and even in the fierce sun. एंड फियर्स सन का मतलब स्कॉर्चिंग सनलाइट वॉज देयर, तेज़ धूप थी, और उस धूप में भी उसको ऐसा लगने लगा उसका ब्लड जम गया है क्या, मतलब शी वॉज टू टेरिफाइड. एंड देयर वॉज अ वॉइस नाउ, साउंड नाउ, टैप 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 टैप, एंड इट वॉज द लार्जेस्ट बम्प ऑन द विच ट्री. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, ये सबसे बड़ा जो था बम्प था, सबसे बड़ा जो था नोड्यूल था, गांठ थी उस पेड़ की, द वन विच कैपिटो सेड द पुअर लॉस्ट चाइल्ड वॉज. और ये वही वाली गांठ थी, वही वाला नोड्यूल था विच कैपिटो हैड सेड to her sister about that very poor lost child. Okay, and he was trying to escape. और हो सकता है कि वो escape होने के लिए, बचने के लिए चिल्ला रहा हो, टैप टैप. ये थॉट उसके मन में आ रहे थे, सिस्टर के मन में, because Capito had told her the false story to her. And a hole appeared in the trunk. तभी there was a hole in the trunk. Ice! Cried Precious, and Precious now started shouting. She was terrified, and if she had had a bus to catch, she would have run away, because there was no option to her to run away, because she had to go to market. Otherwise she would have run away. भाग जाती वो अगर उसे मार्केट नहीं जाना होता तो. And the hole got larger. बड़ा हो गया hole now. Soon a finger would poke through. तभी a finger came out, or a hand will come out. This was the thought of the girl. Now she was thinking either the hand or the finger would come out, then the head of the poor lost child would come out. These things were going on in her mind, but none of these things happened, students. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. Squeezing through the hole, तभी squeeze का मतलब दबाते हुए, होल के थ्रू, बॉडी को दबाते हुए, बॉडी को स्क्वीज करते हुए, थोड़ा छोटा करते हुए, उसमें से विच ट्री में से निकला एक छोटा सा टाइनी रम्पल्ड, सिकुड़ा हुआ सा, सिमटा हुआ सा एक छोटा सा बेबी बर्ड. इट फ्लॉप्ड. फ्लॉप्ड का मतलब फ्लू. उछल के फुदक करके इट गोज़ टू द नियरेस्ट ब्रांच, पास की ब्रांच पे जाके बैठ गया. एंड ही वॉज लुकिंग एग्जॉस्टेड, टायर्ड, थका हुआ लग रहा था वो छोटा सा पक्षी. प्रीशियस फॉरगॉट हाउ स्केरी शी वॉज. प्रीशियस भूल गई कि वो कितना डर गई थी पहले. शी फॉरगॉट दैट द विच ट्री माइट जिप हर इनसाइड. अब वो जो जिपिंग वाली बात थी कि पेड़ जिपिंग करके खुल जाता है फिर बंद हो जाता है. शी फॉरगॉट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग नाउ. And she did not believe now in the words of her brother. She came up close. अब वो पास में भी आ गई. उसने she put her ear also, she put her eye against the hole. और वो आइज़ को आइज़ से झाँक करके देखने लगी, पीप करके देखने लगी इनसाइड द होल कि क्या है उसके अंदर. कैपिटो शी ग्रीन टू हर सेल्फ एंड शी वॉज श्योर. और जब वो श्योर हो गई टू सी इनसाइड द आफ्टर लुकिंग इनसाइड द होल, तो शी स्टार्टेड ग्रीनिंग, स्माइलिंग, मुस्कराने लगी मन ही मन में. यू आर द वर्ल्ड्स ग्रेटेस्ट लायर. भाई तुम तो दुनिया के सबसे बड़े झूठे हो. फॉर इनसाइड द विच ट्री वॉज नॉट अ पुअर लॉस्ट चाइल्ड. उसके अंदर देयर वॉज नो चाइल्ड who was lost also, that was not inside, and he was not inside, but a nest of hornbill chicks. उसके अंदर तो हॉर्नबिल जो पक्षी है जिसके आगे से हॉर्न काफ़ी मुड़ा रहता है, हॉर्न बड़ा रहता है, एक ऐसा पक्षी जिसकी चोंच लंबी होती है और आगे हॉर्न की शेप ले लेती है, उसके चूजे हैं, उसके बच्चे हैं. The mother bird had sealed them in with mud to keep them safe. Not only this, the hole has been packed with mud by the mother bird so that her children should be safe and sound inside it. Okay, so that snakes and eagle-like animals should not harm them. बट नाउ दे हैड हैचेड. अब हैचिंग पूरी हो गई है, बच्चे अंडे सीख चुके हैं, बच्चे पूरी तरह से रेडी हैं बाहर आने के लिए, एंड बाहर आ चुके हैं हैचिंग के बाद. एंड दे वर ब्रेकिंग आउट वन बाई वन. अब वो अपनी शेल को, दे आर ब्रेकिंग द शेल एंड कमिंग आउट वन बाई वन फ्रॉम द शेल. The mother bird was on the topmost branch of the witch tree. Mother bird was sitting on the topmost branch and she was calling her chicks to join her. And she was inviting her children, tap, 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 again and again. This sound was there. Another chick came tumbling out. Now tumbling means fudakta hua. One more chick actually came out. Precious was laughing. I had really thought, she told herself, that the bus stop would eat me. And भाई ये तो मैंने वाकई में, this was the thought in my mind. मैं तो सोच रही थी कि रियल में मुझे, आई बिलीव्ड इन दी वर्ड्स ऑफ माई ब्रदर, स्टोरीज ऑफ माई ब्रदर, और मुझे लग रहा था कि बस स्टॉप मुझे भी खा जाएगा. ओनली समवन विद अ हेड एज एम्प्टी एज दिस बास्केट वुड थिंक दैट. अब तो बस खाली ये बास्केट, नॉन लिविंग थिंग एक्चुअली कुड थिंक लाइक दिस, एंड आई शुड नॉट थिंक लाइक दिस. मुझे नहीं सोचना चाहिए इस तरीके से. And you want this bus or not? तभी bus came and this approaching bus was not in the notice of Precious because she was absorbed in her own thoughts. Bus driver actually called her out whether she is interested in getting in or not. Precious sat on the bus and Precious बैठ गई बस में. Again and again she was recalling the items which she had to purchase from the market, cassava, beans, rice, okay, ताकि वो भूले नहीं. Then she thought about the new baby. नया बेबी उसके घर में आने वाला था. एंड शी वॉज थिंकिंग द चाइल्ड माइट हैव कम बिफोर हर अराइवल टू हाउस. उसके घर पहुंचने से पहले उस बच्चे का जन्म भी हो गया होगा, तो उसकी मदर जन्म देने वाली हैं. वुड प्रीशियस टेल हर न्यू ब्रदर और सिस्टर स्केरी स्टोरीज? नाउ स्टूडेंट्स टेल मी, whatever Capito had done, should the same should be done by Precious too, and the same story she should tell to her brother or sister, and who is yet to come to this new world. Tell me. Yes, of course. Stories like Ghost Capito told her, she should also tell the new baby, for it would be great shame if she does not tell new stories to him. अदरवाइज दी गुड स्टोरी विल गो वेस्ट. एक अच्छी स्टोरी वेस्ट हो जाएगी अगर वो ऐसा नहीं करेगी तो. एंड शी वुड ऑल्सो डू द सेम एज कैपिटो हैड डन टू हर. Okay students, so students, story is very very simple, very inspiring, very good. And how her terror actually got vanished later on in a practical way. When she experienced her by her own, then she understood the reality that there are no spirits, no ghosts, and bus stops are only bus stops where buses stop for the passengers. Okay, thank you very much students. Now we will discuss the questions. I do hope you will answer the questions with me. Okay, open page number 44. First question, why was Precious sent for shopping on one Saturday morning? बताइए स्टूडेंट्स कि प्रीशियस जो है सैटरडे मॉर्निंग को शॉपिंग को क्यों गई. Tell me. Because she had to purchase cassava, beans, some food items from the market, so that's why she had gone there. Okay. And her brother was busy in chopping the maize, mother was expecting a baby, so that's why the responsibilities fell over her shoulders. Okay students, now second question. What were Precious thoughts about the baobab tree? Precious के क्या thoughts थे baobab tree के बारे में? Can you give me the answer? Here you can see massive tree having swollen bumpy trunk. It was hollow inside, and these were the thoughts of the Precious. And when she was very small, her brother had told her that tree is a witch tree, right? It has a warty face, long bony fingers, and whatever her brother had told her about the tree and its structures to her, and she was believing all those very things. Scowling, very angry face of the tree, and its twigs looked like fingers, bony fingers or claws, right? These were the thoughts of that very guy. Now third question students. Why did Capito tell to like scary stories? Capito जो था वो डरावनी कहानियाँ क्यों सुनाता था? बताओ. Because she loved to tell such stories. He was the lover of such stories. So he used to tell her sister such stories. What stories did he tell Precious? कैसी कहानियाँ सुनाता था वो अपनी बहन को? So for instances, two types of stories are given. There were spirits, okay, in the thatch of their hut, कि उनकी झोंपड़ी की थैच में रूफ में स्पिरिट्स हैं, एंड दे कम डाउन एट द टाइम ऑफ नाइट and drink the blood of the children for growing fat. Another story like this, dead spirits actually come out of their graves at the time of night, and they keep roaming around the huts, and they invite the people to come and join them in their cold and lonely graves. So such stories actually he used to tell to her sister. Okay students, now fourth question. Why was Precious extremely terrified of the bus stop? Precious बहुत ज़्यादा डरी हुई क्यों थी बस स्टॉप के बारे में? And what did Capito tell her about the bus stop? Capito ने क्या कहा था उसके बस स्टॉप के बारे में? क्यों डरी हुई थी बताओ students? Because Capito had told her lots of horrifying things to her, and this is that here you can see that if somebody stops over there, this is very terrifying for the children, because all of their own the witch's belly begins to rumble. अचानक गड़गड़ाहट की आवाज़ के साथ उसकी belly खुल जाती है, and then zip, like zipping up your clothes, just like the zipping of our clothes. The witch tree closes up with the child inside it, and the child is seen nowhere. Okay, so the witch tree has eaten her up. The witch tree does not eat them all. Reserved food actually the witch tree keeps in her larder. So these were the things because of which she was quite terrified because of this description given by her brother. Okay students. Now next question we will discuss. Capito, you are the world's greatest liar. क्यों कहा उसने ये वर्ड्स अपने भाई को? Because when she peeped inside the big tree, inside the baobab tree, then she found only the baby chicks inside it, and no sound, no lost child. So that's why she realized that her brother must be telling the lie to her. What did Precious see inside the witch tree? अब बताइए Precious ने क्या देखा पेड़ के अंदर? अभी भी बताया मैंने आपको. She saw some chicks, some hornbill chicks, and they were being hatched inside the hollows of the tree, and they were coming out one by one at the call of their mother, and all these things she saw inside the witch tree. So now students, I do hope the story the bus stop that at children is not only quite funny but very very amusing, entertaining. And once again read the contents of this story, try to understand the story once again, learn the meanings and write the answers in your own words in your rough notebook. Thank you very much students for watching out this video, and once again I will be with you with some other video. Till then, have a nice day.